Hey folks, this is Adam, and today we're looking at the Mebak 3 Precision Massage Gun, 7 variable speeds, on and off, super lithium ion rechargeable battery, comes with a carrying case and a variety of heads that are going to blow your mind. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So let me go ahead and take a moment and show you this massage gun in its actual use. Okay, it's a fantastic gun. And look at all the speed settings on the back. The lithium ion battery that they use nowadays is built to last, okay? Now what's great about that is massage guns in the past with their copper batteries and things really didn't take that recharge for as long as the newer guns. This one has a powerful battery that is rechargeable, American Volt right there, and it can make a world of difference. If you're, in this case, carpal tunnels, which I get really bad, massage right here for 3 or 4 minutes and your carpal tunnel syndrome will practically go away. Stiff wrists, stiff fingers, stiff joints, you can do this on yourself. It's also fantastic, you can reach around to your own neck or make a very relaxing experience with your partner. Okay, I also need to show you that it does come with this, which is a carrying case for a variety of heads. You get a bunch of cool heads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different heads. That includes the ball. This one, which is a favorite, it's very soft, it's great for the spine. Kind of a couple harder tips. Kind of a pitchfork shape for going around and up and down the back. I always call this the penetrator. This one really gets that hard, deep tissue muscle and kind of a flat end right here. So you get a carrying case for that. You get the Mebak case for your entire gun, and it's absolutely fantastic. And stick around, we're gonna cover all of these and show you it up close in the unbox. So if you're looking for a great massage, you're not gonna beat this gun. It's absolutely fantastic. Just turn her on, adjust to the speed that you prefer, and get your massage on, folks. Absolutely fantastic. Get in all those parts, your ligaments, your joints, deep muscle, and deep tissue massage. Your body, your arms, your joints are going to thank you. I'm going to thank you. You're going to thank you. And pick up this. All right, folks, let me next show you the unboxing, then we'll wrap it up. All right, folks, now let's do the unboxing for this Mebak therapeutic massage gun. It says the Mebak is a cutting-edge percussion massage device that delivers max power and torque for a deeper massage. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different heads. And yeah, designed in the US of America. Okay, it does seem to come with one of those nice cases, shiny case, much shinier than I expected. Mebak is a high-selling, high-speed, low-drag kind of gun. There we go, Mebak. Cool massager. Does look like it's got 2 of the heads right here. Let's see. May need to turn it on. Oh, it's got some power. Oftentimes when these things come in the mail, it may not be fully charged, but this seems to have pretty good power. Yeah, neat. Adjust the speed. All right, and then in this case, I'm assuming a bunch more heads. Yep, look at all the head you get with this massage gun. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. So there you go, folks, coming to you from Amazon with Amazon Prime. That means all the guarantees, the A to Z guarantee, and everything associated with it. Plus, on top of all of that, oh wow, 10,000 ratings with nearly a 5-star average. It's absolutely unheard of. Mebak 3, you will not, can't be, shan't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.